Hello everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you have a project you want me to look into GPU mine, please let me know in the comment section. Let me do the work for you. That way you can get up in mining really fast. So today I want to talk about Genesis Network and how to mine it. I'm here on the Genesis Network website, genesisnetwork.io. Welcome to the Genesis Network, the premier digital P2P point of sale and payment processing ecosystem for business and e-commerce. And there's a link to the white paper. We'll get to that in a little bit. This is a brief overview. I'm not going to get too much into the technical aspects of the project. Just a brief overview for the purposes of mining. So the Genesis Network is a blockchain-based payment processing ecosystem. And here you can view their roadmap, see what they've done, and see what they plan on doing. It's always a good thing. Decentralized digital ecosystem. The Genesis Network believes in the core values of decentralization. This allows all persons and businesses to be in control of their own funds without a central authority. More than a cryptocurrency, the Genesis Network begins with the Genesis blockchain. The Genesis blockchain provides the fundamental building blocks for developing the standard and decentralized point of sale and payment processing platforms. Evolving and immutable, the Genesis Network utilizes the latest in technology on and off the blockchain to create a strong, secure, and private network powered by users utilizing open source development platforms. Genesis Network will always be an ever-evolving platform. Transparent, the Genesis Network official team is open, honest, and transparent with all portions of the project, including fund allocation. The team launched the Genesis Network, no ICO, no pre-mine, no monetary donations from investors. That's always a good thing. So here you have the wallets. You're going to need that, of course, for your command line when you mine. So they have a full node wallet. They have, here you can download it. And they also have a web wallet, a paper wallet, and a third party, which is the Zelcore app. You can get for your iPhone, probably on Google as well. So here you can buy some Genesis Network on these exchanges here. And mining. I'll get to that in a second. I just want to go over the team real quick. So the Genesis Network team consists of 5 founding members, each contributing a wealth of experience to the project in many domains. So it's always nice to see names with faces and LinkedIn profiles and Twitter accounts, for sure. Kind of a small team, but they're just getting going, so they're just starting to grow. We'll see what happens. So let's go to the, here's the resources, white paper, press pack, chain explorers, Masternode hosting, Masternode monitoring. You can check that out when you get a chance. And here's the link to the mining, prerequisites, wallet address, latest drivers on your GPUs, Nvidia and AMD. I'm going to be using Nvidia Zotac 1060s. Here's the software. I'll be using gminer. And a list of the mining pools, along with current hash rate, can be found on mining pool stats. And here's some information about gminer here. Your command line information. It tells you how to, kind of gives you some hint on overclocking. And that's about it. So let's go over to the white paper. Introduction. Genesis strives to do 2 things: be the first true blockchain-driven payment processor that non-technical consumers can adopt anywhere. Change perceptions between cryptocurrencies being viewed as a currency instead of an asset. between mass user adoption, heavy development of blockchain technologies, and integration paralleled with business implementation, Genesis is well positioned to accomplish these goals. So here's the problem that they're putting forth, why you must initiate change to solve the problem, and the solution: user adoption, blockchain-driven payment processing ecosystem. The Genesis team plans on securely implementing blockchain technology into point-of-sale and payment processing outlets utilizing bespoke software and hardware developed by our team on top of the Genesis blockchain. So again, I'm not going to go into too much in-depth on the white paper, but you can read it when you get a chance and dive into it. Here's their business implementation, specification. Genesis utilizes features from the existing cryptocurrencies such as Zcash, Dash, and Zero. The development team has analyzed code bases of these cryptocurrencies and has created a hardened, robust Equihash-based currency built upon modern Bitcoin code base. Equihash 192.7, the algorithm which they use, was chosen as a proof of work variant due to its stability, security, decentralization, and privacy. So here's the ticker. Algorithm again, 192.7. Block time 67. Block size 2 megabytes. Confirmation 100 blocks. Here's the division of block reward. Block reward information. Maturity-based masternodes. So they are putting forth the problem with masternodes suffer from pumping and dumping, and this goes over what their solution to that is for their masternodes here. You can read about it. Typical masternode coins use a round-robin style payment system in which the node owner receives a full reward when it is their turn. You can read more about that. Primary and secondary masternode payments, maturity calculation, and some references. So again, just a brief overview. You can dive more into it when you get a chance. So I'm going to be using Zergpool. And you're going to go down to Equihash 192. And you can see Genesis is here. And they have a nice command line. I like Zergpool because of this. You put in the algorithm, you go down to Equihash, 192 here, and then you're going to go here, the ticker is GENX, put in your wallet, and then you copy and paste this command line. Now, you don't have to use Zergpool if you don't want to. Take this command line and put it in another pool. Just have to change the server and the port. Everything else is pretty much the same. So we're going to go over to Simplemining, group config. Like I said before, we're going to be using gminer. So add group, gminer here. You can see 192.7 here. I'm using 1.96. And then you put Genesis network here. If you want, that's what I use. Group description, I put the pool and gminer in the version I'm using. And here's where you're going to put the command line. So I've already done all that. I'm currently mining. Here's the algorithm, which I'll have in this description along with the website, Zergpool website, and the website of Genesis on there. So algorithm 192.7. Here's the server information, port, and you want to replace my wallet with your wallet. And pass is X, or just leave it blank. C equals GENX. That's telling the pool what coin you're mining. API 333 is for Simplemining. So let's go to rig list. And the heads-up display, you can see I'm getting shares and I'm currently mining. And it is working properly. So that's going to do it. Again, please subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so you know as soon as my videos come out. might be something that you want to look into to mining. Leave a comment, a question. If you have a project you want me to look into, please let me know. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, I just am going to think about doing a giveaway. So let me know what you think about that. Do you like giveaways? Please let me know. Give me some feedback on that. And also, have you mined Genesis? Are you mining it? What do you think of the project? Also, please let me know about that in the comment section. That's going to do it. I hope this helps. And until next time, happy mining.